as we build the brands, we just want to be a trusted authority in space. And so that's how I've kind of looked at sharing on social media and building my own social media, is like, how can I build trust? And to me, I trust people when they're honest with me and when they're vulnerable with me about what's really going on. And they don't just share the wins. They share the struggles. They share, the hard points. They share that I haven't taken a salary, ever. And it's like, but you also share the wins too. So I know when I interact with social media as a founder, I get discouraged when all I see are other brands like sharing all of the wins, because I know behind the scenes, there's always stuff going on. You can never tell from like when people aren't honest. So that's kind of been our standpoint, is like, as a bootstrap business and soon to be, just like a family owned business, basically, is like, we have that ability to not have to really care what anyone else we don't have investors that are like
board members or investors. Yep.
Yeah, that you can't say that, you're not, you haven't paid yourself. You can't say these things. Like, no one's telling us that. So we're like, well, let's just share the honest journey. And also, my family is Mexican. I'm Mexican, like my dad is Mexican. And it's like, it's really important for me to show as a Mexican woman that it's possible for anyone to do it. And I want to be honest about the journey too, that it's not easy and there's not the rose-colored glasses, but that it is possible if you have, grit and some problem-solving skills when, shit hits the fan, that you can figure things out and kind of like inspire other people. So that's kind of like the goal of how we share online and the strategy.
Alli,